This is what I did when I started off. This is the first thing you're gonna do. Your hair dry, don't wet it, don't do nothing crazy. So your hair, right? What you gonna do? What's good with y'all niggas? It's your boy True Cam. Y'all see the title on the thumbnail. Y'all already know we getting into. We finna get into my hair, right? Finna get y'all a quick tutorial how I get my hair like this. First thing y'all niggas need, y'all need y'all hands. Everybody got your hands. You know what I'm saying? You need your hands. Second thing you're gonna need some of these little bands right here. Y'all see, y'all need some of these bands. If y'all don't have these, y'all can get like little rubber bands you get from the store, all that shit. Next thing you're gonna need this. This is kind of important. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna tell y'all why it's important. You watch the video from beginning to end, you gonna know everything you need to know about how to get your hair like this, right? Use that. So, first thing though, it's the twisty parts, obviously. My bad, but the first thing is the twisty parts, obviously. So I took down like one of my shit. Well, I tried to. It was already kind of took down. It was hard as shit. But look, it's down enough. So y'all see this, right? Right? This is your hair. So what you want to do is, this is what I did when I started off. This is the first thing you're going to do. Your hair dry, don't wet it. Don't do nothing crazy. So your hair, right? What you going to do? You're going to split your hair up. Just like this. Twist those two together. You see this? Cause I don't want y'all niggas DM me asking me how to do the twisty shit. Twist it like this. And then you twist those two together. The sides of it, and you pull it. Y'all see how I'm pulling it down? You twist, pull it down like that. Don't ask me, you know what I'm saying? The size is all up to y'all, how big y'all want it, how much hair y'all want to twist. It's all up to y'all, right? So when y'all do that, do it to your entire head or whatever. Wait a couple days and take them down. Wait a couple days, take them down. Don't matter how many days. You can do 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, right? So soon you twist it up. As soon as you finish twisting your whole head, your entire head, you don't have to part it. I didn't do it. Twist your entire head up. Once you twist your entire head up, next thing you're going to do is you're going to wet it. Yes, you're going to wet it. When you wet your hair, it helps it to lock up fast. So as soon as I finished twisting my hair, as soon as I finished the last twist. It was in the back of my head. I finished it, got up, turned the shower on, right? Right, I turned the shower on. I wasn't getting there to like take a shower because I already took a shower before I started this. When I first started mine. So what I did was I got in the shower. I just let the water run, and I just did my hair like this. Let the water run through your hair. Don't scrub it. Do all that shit. Just let it run through your hair. Just make sure your twists, all the twists, getting wet. Make sure all the twists getting wet. You know what I'm saying? I just let the water go through it. So then after I did that for a while, you know, I got out and it's not gonna look good, Chad. I'm telling y'all, when y'all first twist out hair, that motherfucker not gonna look good. It's not gonna look good, right? So you twist your hair and all of that, and then you get the bands. Time for you to pin them up. You know what I'm saying? Y'all pin them up. However, when I first started, bro, I had to use the rubber bands, and I had to use probably like 9 of them joints. You know what I'm saying? That probably dragging it. Probably like 6 or 7. I had to use a lot because my hair wasn't that tall, but you know, you just try to pin your joint up. Do I gotta demonstrate this, chat? It don't matter how you pin it up, though. I'm gonna just do a little something for y'all niggas. Pin your entire head up in little ponytails and shit, and y'all just go to sleep like that. Pin your entire head up. I just did one just to, you know, kind of demonstrate how you're supposed to pin your hair up. But pin everything up. And y'all be asking me, do y'all use bonnets and all of that stuff? I didn't use a bonnet. Well, no, wait, I lied. I used a bonnet for like 2 days. And the rest, I didn't use a bonnet. I just pin my hair up and go to sleep. I used a bonnet for like 2 days. Then I stopped using the bonnet and I just pin my hair up. And I do this. I still do this to this day. I do this because it helps your hair to grow real fast. I do this if not every night, I do it every other night. I pin my entire head up and then I go to sleep. So you pin your hair up in this. The reason I said this is very important, I'm gonna tell y'all. The style that I want, if y'all want y'all hair like kind of style like mine, what I do is I pick the roots of my hair. Right, that will create like at the bottom of it, at the bottom of my twist, it'll create like a fro kinda. That's so my hair won't all just drop down. Like y'all see how I drop down, but it kind of like go out. It's hard to explain it, bro. Y'all see people with freeform dreads and they like go out and shit. They go up and then the ends go down like that type shit. That's how I want my shit. Y'all get what I'm saying. If y'all don't get what I'm saying, you gonna see somebody with it. So yeah, so I pick the roots. Pick the roots of my hair. You know what I'm saying? I do this often still. Especially after I wash my shit. After I wash it, I most definitely pick it. But you know, you don't gotta go all the way up. You just go into the roots, go up until it stop. Then go down and do your entire head. What you doing? You picking the roots up. And don't listen to niggas in the comment, bro. Y'all niggas be saying, Oh, you don't supposed to do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Look at my hair, and I'm telling y'all I done it. You asking me how did I do this? I tell you how to do it, and you say no, you don't supposed to do that. Nigga, I just told you how I did it. I didn't use no sponge. I never used that. Didn't use no sponge, no twisty brushes, twist picks. I didn't use none of that. I just used my hands and I twisted it all up like I just showed you. I used a pick, used the band every night. Couple months, this how your hair gonna look. I don't care, nigga, if you used a motherfucking some gel and a twist pick. I don't care how good your shit look. They asking me for mines. That's why you clicking when you saw the thumbnail, because you want to know mines. But another question y'all asked me, what products do I put in my hair? What product do I wash my hair with? What product do I do all that with? I recommend Geology. Geology, I use their hair product because it's all natural. You know what I'm saying? They don't got no crazy ingredients in it. The natural products will help your hair to grow faster. If y'all want y'all hair to grow very, very, very fast, use good products. Drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water. Use some good products. I'm gonna put the link in the bio for y'all. To the Geology. Go get that. That's very important. Very important. Y'all use the Geology. Make sure you watch the gym. Am I forgetting something? Hold on now. Probably got another tip that you probably didn't know. Just wait. Give me a second. Let me think of some shit. I probably should have wrote it down, but it don't matter. Okay, this is the reason that you shouldn't. I don't recommend you use the spongy things. Cause this is my second time growing freeform. The first time I grew it, I used the spongy shit. I was using towels and all this stuff, right? And it grew so bad, like it started getting thin. They started breaking off at the end. That was creating a lot of knots, all that shit. Like, nah, that's and it was all because of the brush and the towels and the twisty, all the shit I was using, bro. I was using all this shit and it was making all my dread. Y'all see how they is now? Like they kind of like, you know what I'm saying? They good. Look, I can pick something up and they not all stuck together. You know what I'm saying? Like back then, like all of these would be tied together and stuck and there was little balls on the end. They'll break off. I had long threads and all that shit, bro. Don't use those. I don't recommend. If you want to do it, rock out. But I don't recommend it. I'm not saying you can't use it, but I don't recommend it because it's going to be bad for your hair. It's going to damage your hair. You know what I'm saying? So y'all got everything y'all need. You know, if y'all want to know how to wash it and all of that stuff, because I'm going to make multiple videos. I'm going to make videos on how to wash it, how to maintain it, you know, how to keep it clean. Because there's a lot of more steps to this, y'all. Very important to keep it clean. So what I need y'all to do, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button too. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be more active on here. We need to push these videos out. You know? Make sure y'all hit that like button. Y'all got any questions or y'all just want me to show y'all my hair? Text me on Twitter. I would say Instagram, but my Instagram been a little flooded right now. Text me on Twitter. Appreciate y'all for watching this video. I'll see y'all niggas in the next one. Let's get it. Black screen time. What's good, y'all boys? Welcome to the black screen. Come in, black screen gang. You still in here. You know what I'm saying? Fuck you talking about. But look, click that video right here. I know you want to watch that hoe. Go ahead and watch it. Go ahead and watch that motherfucker.